The Google Nest? The Emerson Sensi? Or Cielo Breez? Perhaps the Honeywell Home or the Ecobee Premium? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 smart thermostats available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best smart thermostats. The 5th product on this list is the Honeywell Home T9. In the world of smart thermostats, what distinguishes the best models from the rest is the ability to measure temperature in multiple locations throughout your home. And that's where the Honeywell Home T9 stands out. With this smart thermostat, you'd be able to detect temperatures in the parts of your home that matter the most. You can set a schedule to focus on the rooms you select, or let the sensors respond to your lifestyle, saving energy when you leave and preparing the ideal temperature for your return. It comes with one remote sensor, but can support up to 20 and can measure the humidity in the room. Aside from the remote sensors, this model has all the features you'd expect from a smart thermostat, such as support for multiple HVAC systems, time-based or geofence scheduling, and a smartphone app to control your system when you're not at home. It also supports voice control via Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant. If you want to connect it to other innovative home products, this model supports Samsung's SmartThings platform and IFTTT, giving it an advantage over other models. You'll also appreciate the fact that the manufacturer's website includes a compatibility checker, allowing you to see if this model will work before purchasing. Finally, you'd surely love its contemporary design and large full-color touchscreen display, which is bright enough and easy to read from across the room. Its pros are, it can be conveniently managed using the Residio app or other voice control assistants. It has smart sensors that can automatically focus on occupied rooms, and it has monthly energy reports that can track your heating and cooling trends and get tips on reducing energy use so that you can help save on your energy bills. However, it does not work with electric baseboard heating systems. The Honeywell Home T9 is a well-designed smart thermostat system with an easy-to-use interface and a wide range of control options. Up next in 4th place is the Cielo Breez Plus. Easy to set up and incredibly responsive, the Cielo Breez Plus is one of the 2 Wi-Fi connected thermostats this company manufactures. It is simple to set up and highly responsive. This smart thermostat controller is compatible with mini-split, portable, and window air conditioners or heating systems. It connects to your Wi-Fi router and allows you to control everything with your smartphone. You'll also be surprised by how adaptable this smart thermostat is, as it can be linked to your iOS or Android device, the web, Alexa, and even Google Home. Another plus is that it comes with all the necessary accessories, including the wall plate and a free table stand if you prefer to place it on a desk or table, allowing you to create zones for efficient heating or cooling. With this unit, you can create weekly schedules based on your needs and set up location-based controls for automated operation and energy savings. This model can reduce your energy bills by up to 25% while improving your lifestyle, comfort, and convenience. It's linked to an app that includes a complete timeline of actions, so you're always up to date. To make the most of this model, you simply need to register it via Wi-Fi at first, and then you'll be able to control it offline moving forward. There are also local controls to ensure that you can manage your connected AC's functions, including power, fan speed, swing position, modes of operation, and much more, even without Wi-Fi. It also supports geofencing. When you leave the circumference of the designated geofence, the app will turn your air conditioner off to save energy and turn it back on when you re-enter the circle, so your home is already cool or warm when you get there. Its pros are, it's incredibly easy to set up and use, it tracks both humidity and temperature of your room, and it offers compatibility with a wide range of AC units and heating systems. However, irritatingly, it doesn't seem to retain settings if the power goes out. The Cielo Breez Plus is an incredibly simple to use thermostat that's ideal for those who are constantly on the go, but want to ensure they return to a perfect climate when they get home. Still haven't found a smart thermostat that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Ecobee Premium. Like the others, this next smart thermostat can control the humidity and temperature in your home. But that's not all. This model has a wide range of features, making it an excellent choice for anyone. For starters, it has a sleek design with a zinc body and a glass touchscreen display that is 50% larger than the previous model. It also has an air quality sensor and an onboard radar capable of detecting motion even around the corners. This new top-tier thermostat is compatible with Apple's HomeKit ecosystem and includes Alexa and Siri voice assistants. You will, however, have to choose between the two. You cannot use both at the same time. And the latter requires an Apple HomePod or HomePod Mini in your home. It also has a smart sensor that monitors room occupancy and ambient temperature in a secondary location within your home. This smart thermostat is compatible with virtually all HVAC systems, though the manufacturer advises potential buyers to use its online compatibility checker to double-check their system. The thermostat requires a C-wire for power, but you don't have to worry about that because this model comes with a power extender kit in case you need it. It is also compatible with single and dual-stage furnaces, heat pumps, air conditioners, humidifiers, dehumidifiers, ventilators, and other similar devices. What's more, you'll appreciate that this model is linked to an app that includes all the steps you need to take for each stage of the installation process, making the thermostat a breeze to install. Its pros are, it has a built-in air quality monitor that alerts you when the air quality is poor and provides tips on how to improve it. It comes with a large, vibrant display with a cinematic interface, and it includes a built-in smoke alarm detection and alerts to possible break-ins when your system is armed. However, its built-in speaker is not very efficient. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is an excellent choice because it controls your home's air quality and temperature while also doubling as a security device. The second product on this list is the Emerson Sensi Touch. Smart thermostats allow you to control your home's heating and cooling system from virtually anywhere, and the Sensi Touch Smart Thermostat ST75 is no exception. But in addition to phone and voice control, it offers a responsive color touchscreen control panel. This model adds support for Apple's HomeKit and Samsung SmartThings home automation platforms and native Siri voice control, making it a great alternative to more expensive brands with similar features. It's a stylish thermostat with either a glossy black or white finish. It measures 3.4 by 5.6 by 1.0 inches and has a thin clear bezel around its 4.2-inch full-color touchscreen control panel. It includes mounting hardware, a welcome guide, an installation guide, labels to identify your HVAC wires, and an embedded Wi-Fi radio to connect to your home network. This model is suitable for single-stage and multi-stage oil, gas, and electric HVAC systems and central air and heat pump systems. It requires a C-wire, so if you live in an older home, make sure your thermostat wiring is powered by a common wire. Another feature worth mentioning is that this thermostat supports geofencing and will adjust your heating or cooling settings based on your location. You can set the thermostat to send push notifications when the temperature and humidity levels in your home reach a certain level, as well as to notify you if there are any heating or cooling issues. You can also use the intuitive touchscreen to create a custom 7-day heating and cooling schedule. Or you can use the Sensi mobile app for Android and iOS devices. Its pros are, it has a wide color display making it easier for you to control the settings. It is ENERGY STAR certified, so you're confident that it helps you save energy without compromising the quality, and it helps monitor the performance and efficiency of your HVAC system by delivering valuable usage reports. However, it takes a while to set up as connecting it to the Wi-Fi is a several-step process. The Sensi Touch ST75 is a reliable smart thermostat that can be easily controlled via phone, voice, or color touchscreen panel. It provides temperature and humidity alerts, usage reports, and support for a variety of smart home platforms. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top smart thermostat is the Google Nest. This smart thermostat learns your schedule and preferred temperatures and programs itself to save energy and keep you comfortable, making it the best choice for your home's cooling and heating needs. One of the most useful features is the Home or Away Assist, which automatically adjusts to an eco temperature after you leave, so you don't have to heat or cool an empty house. This thermostat also includes a remote control, allowing family members to adjust the temperature from anywhere using a phone, laptop, or tablet. You'll also appreciate its energy history feature, which allows you to check your phone or use the quick view on the thermostat's display to see how much energy you used and why. This smart thermostat with HVAC monitoring also surveys your heating and cooling systems and sends an alert if something doesn't seem right, as well as helpful maintenance reminders. Moreover, this model works with the Nest temperature sensor to ensure that a specific room is kept at the desired temperature. This is ideal for those with young children that may need to be kept warmer. You'll also appreciate how elegantly designed it is, with polished metal finishes and a bright, high-resolution display. When you walk into a room, far side displays the temperature, weather, or time on your thermostat. Finally, this model is very simple to install, typically taking 30 minutes or less, and comes with everything you need. It also works with 95% of heating and cooling systems, making it a versatile choice. Its pros are: it has clean, simple aesthetics that will easily match your room's interior. It has wide-ranging compatibility even with older systems. It has excellent voice assistant support, and it has reliable automated temperature control. However, it only works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Nest, which can be a deal breaker for Apple users. The Google Nest is undoubtedly the best smart thermostat with a comprehensive range of features that make it effortless to keep your home comfortable in every season. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.